AI room renovation videos are exploding right now. You've seen the trend. A total mess transforming into a sleek, modern space that keeps everyone hooked. Here's the exact step-by-step to create your own. Let's dive in. Step 1. Generate the prompts. Head over to ChatGPT to generate custom prompts for your room transformation across all 4 stages. If you prefer a quicker start, simply use the ready-made prompts in the description below. Step 2. Download HitPaw Edimakor. Simply click the link in the description to download and install it on your computer. Step 3. Generate the image. First, go to AI Image. Image Generate. Text to image. Select a model you prefer. I choose GPT Image 2 for this task. Paste your prompt, configure the resolution, aspect ratio, and the number of images, then click Generate. You will now have a photo of the messy room. Next, upload this image as a reference. Paste the prompt for the next stage, and repeat this process until you have generated all the images. Step 4. Generate the video. Once all the images are ready, go to AI Video. Here, you have plenty of options to generate your video. Method 1. AI Transition. Select AI Transition. Choose the multi-frame option, then upload the images for each stage in sequence. Enter a prompt for the transition between each pair of frames. Adjust the parameters, hit Generate. Method 2. Reference to video. I recommend this way. Just use Reference to Video feature. Upload all the images, pick a model, input the prompt, toggle on Generate Audio, and generate. And within moments, your room transformation video will be ready. Step 5. Export the video. Once you export your video, don't forget to publish to social media. If you share it on social media with our exclusive tags, you can even get 20 free credits. Ready to give it a try? HitPaw Edimakor is dedicated to making AI creation effortless and fun. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.